Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to describe the second part of the class path and means how to set the class path and the functionality of the class path. Okay. So in first part I already described about this, and if you not yet watch my first part video, then you can see the link up in the description box. So go and watch the first part. And okay, so in the first part I told you that how to set, means without setting the class path permanently, how you can execute a Java code. Okay, and there is another, means there is two other way. So means yeah, two other way where you can execute the Java code, your Java file, without means without permanently setting the class path. Okay, so here I can show you that if you see means here it is, I am currently in desktop and demo folder. Okay, so if I execute here Java C, okay, so you can see that the Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So for that, if I set the class path, means path, okay, so if I set the path, then I can execute this command. So how I will set path equals to, path is equal, you have to give the path till bin. Okay, so here if I paste the bin, so path is set. Okay, now if you click the Java C command, you can see it's showing all the possible options inside the Java C. Okay, so you can use this option while you are executing the Java C command. Okay, so now you can compile your code from here, Java C, and my code name is demo.java. Okay, so it's compiled successful, and now if you execute it or run it Java, then if you give the file name demo dot class file, means class file name, then it's giving the output, correct output test program. Okay, so here also one thing, that you have set this temporarily. If you close this window or command prompt and again open it, then you can see it is not stored permanently. Okay, so here if you give Java C again, and here you can see that the Java C is not recognized as an internal and external command. Okay, so these are the means hectic tasks for you. Okay, so each and every time either you have to give the fully qualified executable file path or .exe file path, otherwise you have to set the fully qualified path, it means while you are running the Java file. So each and every time you have to do these tasks. So instead of doing these all these tasks, okay, you can set permanently the environment variable. How you will do, if you go to the this specie and if you right click here and go to properties, okay, here you can see the advanced system settings. Okay, and if you click the environment variable, if you go to advanced tab and then if you click the environment variable tab, here you can see system variables. Okay, so path is already here, you can see path. Yeah, here you can see path is already here. So if you edit it, okay, and add a new one, okay, add a new one, and if you paste the path of your bin, means binary executable file path. Okay, Java binary executable file path, if you give the fully qualified path here and if you save it, you have to just means click on OK, and all the subsequent window that opened here you have to click OK, then here click on OK and then close it. And now if you open the command prompt from anywhere, Okay, for any disk drive or for any location, if you execute the command java c, then you can see all the, it's giving the all the possible options, okay, that you can use with java c. So now the question is, means how it is, means completed, means how the java c command is now executing in your system. Okay, so once you click here, first your operating system will start looking the command in the path variable, means all the possible path variables part, and for java you have set the path of bin. Okay, and inside the bin you can see it's giving you the java and java c. Okay, so here you can see what the comment is here. So if you now go to the your demo folder desktop, and then go to your demo folder. Inside desktop there is a demo folder, and if you execute your compile your java code, java c demo dot java, then you can see it's compiled successfully. And now if you execute java, then if you run the dot class file demo, then you can see the output test program. Okay, so anywhere from your command prompt, now you can execute the java c and java command, because while you are executing this, first your operating system will start searching from the binary executable file that you have already provided in the environment or system variable path. Okay, in the system variable as a form of path. Okay, in the path form you have already given the provided the path. So from there it will start searching, and it will definitely, means as you can see here java c and java, all these two executable file .exe file is present here, so it will perform. Okay, and while you are means inside the means while the java command is executing, it will take all the means system sorry, all the library classes. Okay, library classes means suppose if you see the java code. Okay, here is the java code. If you go to demo and then open that java file, so here you can see that I am using the system.out.println. So this is a predefined method. So it's, what is the purpose of this method? Okay, so if I use this command system.out.println, so in the console you can see it's giving you the output test program. So whatever you have written inside this as a string, inside this method as a, means you have sending this parameter as a string parameter, send means as an argument you have passed the string, so that string you can see in the console. So in the background java providing you some logic. Okay, some code is already there, so these are the your library code. Okay, system library. So these are the library classes. So there is lots of library classes that you provide some built-in function that you can easily use in java. Okay, so that all these things, library classes and all these things, you can see in the jre folder. Okay, so if you go to jre, then you can see there is a lib folder. Under jre you can see there is a lib folder. Okay, so inside this lib you can, means there is lots of library classes. Okay, so that java will provide, and using these library classes and all these means predefined methods and all these things, java will accomplish your task. Okay, so if you means there is some syntax that follow, means java program follows all this syntax, and if you follow all these rules and syntax correctly, then it will allow you to compile the code and then you can run it. Okay, and once you compile the code, it will generate the dot class file that is only, means the content the binary, not binary, this is content the bytecode. Okay, so and that bytecode you can execute from anywhere if you have a proper jpm. Okay, so and then it will give you the correct output. Okay, so these things, if my guess you have understand, means what is the purpose of the path, class path, and how you will use. all these things, and how we will using this path and class path, how you will execute a Java code to get the proper output. Okay. So thanks for watching this video.